Okay, so we got our cool call, we got our condenser fans running. We have waited 3 minutes. So the compressors came on, condenser fans came on, and then we waited 3 minutes because there is a 3-minute minimum compressor runtime. And we can't start our testing until that minimum runtime is over, because the test is trying to turn off the compressors at a certain temperature. So we've got our variable resistor plugged in to the outside air temperature sensor. Right now we are telling it that it is 60.4 degrees outside. So we need to go ahead and run it down. We should expect to see those compressors turn off at 54. It's going up. Okay, we're at 59.2, 57. Okay, hold on, slow down, slow down. 54, there's 54. So now we're below 54. So we should, in just a minute, we should see these compressors kick off. Outside air temp 180. What happened? It's almost touching. So I think because we have contact right here between the alligator clip and the frame, we lost our resistance. Can you hold this for me? Thank you. All right, so we got to keep that up off of that. So now let's go back and look again. There we are, 53.4. All right. So hopefully in just a second, the compressors will shut down and the damper should be opening. Can we see inside this damper section already? Kind of looks like minimum right now. So that's why we're running these tests, is to see if this economizer actually functions. But at 54 degrees, that damper should be opening. We just tested a unit that was identical to this one, and we've tested 2 smaller units, and they all do the same thing. Yeah, compressors cut off at 54 degrees as you drop below 54, and the damper opens. And then we let it run for a minute like that, and then on the way back up, the damper begins to close at 56 degrees, and the compressors turn back on. So the set point is 55 degrees, and there's a 1 degree allowance above and below the set point. Not getting any movement on this. Could be a bad connection to the motor. Could be a bad damper motor. It's also strange that the compressors are still running. So there may be something wrong in the settings of that economizer controller. I'm gonna walk over here and just fiddle with this and see if we can get better contact. It's this one. Better contact on that damper motor output. Okay, well, so we just really wanted to show you how to hook this up and test. So at this point, we should have seen these compressors turn off. We would have let it run in that position, in that condition, for a little while, and then we would have run it back up to see those compressors kick back on. So we've got 4 of these cables now in the company, but if you need to buy one, you go to digikey.com. It's an RS485 to USB converter cable, and then you got to get a Molex connector, 4-pin Molex connector, and solder that on. You can see that it plugs in right here or right over here. Yeah. And then you've just got to find that outdoor temp sensor and put your resistor bank or potentiometer, whatever you got, in place of it.